everybody! Today I got Kirsten and Felicity, and we are going to be unboxing them. How exciting! These are for the 35th anniversary of American Girl, and they are special edition dolls. First we'll do Kirsten. Kirsten Larson is part of the American Girls collection. She is super cute in the box, so we're going to unbox her and see how she is. Kirsten Larson was one of the first dolls in the American Girl collection. She is based in 1854, and she's from Sweden. She actually comes over to America, and thus is an American Girl. She has a blue shirt, a red apron, and her hair's in braids. I'm going to take her out of the box so you guys can get a better look at her and her accessories. I absolutely love this doll. I think she is super cute. I love all her accessories and I love how she looks. Out of the box, she has this blue dress that has some little flowers on it with a white collar and cuffs. And then her apron ties on with a bow. Even has a pocket and it's really cute. I was up till 4 a.m. to get this doll. Totally worth it. Absolutely love it. Here's a better look at these accessories. We have this red plaid bonnet. So this has some elastic in the back to wrap around your doll's head, and it also has some strings to tie in the front, similar to the apron. Then we have another little apron, which has 1854 on it, and it's red, blue, and it even has a pocket where you can fit some of the other accessories into it. That also ties around the doll. Then we have this handkerchief, which has little blue X's on it. On the back they're not there, they're on the front though. And I love the detail in that. Then we have this wooden spoon, really cute, made of wood. And then we have this necklace. It has this little backing, goes on really easily, and it has a gold heart attached to it. Lastly, we have this Meet Kirsten book, which is similar to the illustrations in the real 80s one. That's my overview of Kirsten Larson. Next we have Felicity Merriman. Like Kirsten, she is based on her original design by Pleasant Company, and she is based in 1774. She loves horses. She is super cool. She even has her own movie, and I have watched it. I absolutely love it. I would recommend. If I take her out of the box here, she has a book, and she's in her rose garden dress. That is her original dress. Let me take her out of the box to again show you guys. Now she's out of the box, and I took off her net now, and she has these little curls in the front. Her back of her hair is a ponytail and is tied with a white ribbon. There's also elastic under that ribbon, so that's nice in case you don't want that ribbon on there. Here's her dress. She even has some socks on with some nice shoes. These look leather, and I'm in love with her. She is so pretty. She has this book here, Felicity Merriman, and description on the back. Then we have all accessories, similar to Kirsten, and it even has a little booklet that says celebrating 35 years. The types of accessories she has is similar to Kirsten. She has a bonnet, just like Kirsten, and a necklace, and a handkerchief, and all that kind of stuff. Here's her bonnet. It's white and it has some red ribbon. Then she has this little lace that goes around her socks. This is different than Kirsten's accessories though. And she also has this little Bitcoin. If you want, you could pause the video now to read that description. It's really cool. It is pretty heavy, and the two sides of it are actually different. I did not know really what a bit was, so to learn about that was pretty cool. It also fits in this little pocket. Then, additionally, if we move on, we have this handkerchief. This is white. It has a lace around it. I think it's cute, and it also fits in the next item, which is this little bag. On the front side it has blue flowers, and on this side it has pink ones. So it has different pattern design. It's not a drawstring, but it's still really cute and can fit some of the other accessories. I do like that feature. Plus it can fit around her hand. In addition, we have this necklace, which hooks similar to how Kirsten's necklace hooks. And it's red, it has some beads on it, fits around her neck, and again, really cute item. Lastly, out of her accessories, we have her book. Overall, I really like Felicity as a doll. I think she's really cute and I haven't had her before. She is actually on back order, so that's pretty funny till like October. Both of these dolls are so cute, absolutely worth it. They have neck chains in the back, so much better than the original ones since they're new. I love it. I'm also going to post a video on how to put on their accessories, so stay tuned for that. And as always, make sure to subscribe and get crafting. Bye! Thanks for watching!